Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the most worth it plants to grow for the Beanstalk event. I think personally for me, the most worth it fruit to grow is the coconut. Why? Because coconuts are very versatile and they go into they're not in all the categories, but they are in most of the categories like woody, tropical, and then summer, as well as fruit plants. So they go in basically four of the categories, which I think is the most versatile one. So grow your coconuts because they do come in handy. So I think probably coconuts are the most handy fruits of them all to grow on the Beanstalk event, and they sprout a lot of coconuts, like the tree. So if you just use your harvest tool, you can easily get a lot of coconuts and you can submit it easily to the beanstalk. So I suggest you planting a lot of coconut trees for this event. But yeah, that is the most worth it plant to grow and grow a garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.